Yes, students, good morning and a very warm welcome to today's class. As you all know, though, that in yesterday's class, we started chapter number 4, that is Albert Einstein at School, authored by who? Patrick Pringle. And in this story, what yesterday we did, we learned about the characters, we did the chapter sketch, and we did the chapter highlights, so that a proper conceptualization of the chapter is clear in our mind. And so now we'll be able to understand the text more clearly. So before beginning the text, let me tell you just in 2-3 lines that what the story is about. It's a biographical piece that discusses the childhood of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, we know who he is. He is the greatest physicist since Newton. And in this story, in this biographical piece that we are going to study today, in this, there will be described the circumstances which led to Albert Einstein's expulsion from the जर्मन स्कूल कि ऐसी क्या कंडीशंस होती हैं कि एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन को फाइनली उसके स्कूल से क्या कर दिया जाता है, एक्सपेल कर दिया जाता है. व्हाट आर द सर्कमस्टेंसेस दैट लीड्स टू दिस प्रॉब्लम. Okay, but actually Albert was very happy being expelled from the school because directly or indirectly he also wants to leave the school. He actually was discovering various ways कि ऐसा क्या कर दूं मैं कि जिससे finally I leave the school. And finally, he achieved success in getting a medical certificate from a doctor in which it's written that Albert is going through a nervous breakdown and he needs to have full rest for at least 6 months. Before he handovers the certificates to the head teacher of the school, he himself is handed something. And what was it? That was the expulsion letter from the school, and he was expelled from the school because of his bad behavior, his misconduct. Okay, so this is the whole story, and what are the circumstances and how these things move on with step by step, that why Albert hates the school, why he wanted to leave the school, who helped him doing this, how he got the medical certificate, and how he was expelled from the school, and after that what were his reactions. All these things we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, students, so see, Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955, is regarded as the greatest physicist since Newton. In the following extract from the young Einstein, the well-known biographer, Patrick Pringle described the circumstances which led to Albert Einstein's expulsion from the German school. So it's a very interesting story. Somewhere or the end, आपको जाके ऐसा लगेगा that yes, कुछ कुछ incidences इसके आपसे भी belong करते हैं. Sometimes you also have the same feeling which Albert has. So in what year, Einstein asked the history teacher, did the Prussians defeat the French at Waterloo? I don't know, sir. Why don't you know? You have been told it often enough. I must have forgotten. Did you ever try to learn? Asked Mr. Brown. No, sir, Albert replied with his usual unthinking honesty. Why not? I can't see any point in learning the dates. One can always look them up in the book. Mr. Brown was speechless for a moment. You amaze me, Einstein, he said at last. Don't you realize that one can always look most things up in the book? That applies to all the facts you learn at school. Yes, sir. Then I suppose you don't see any point in learning the facts. Frankly, sir, I don't, said Albert. Then you don't believe in education at all. Oh, yes, sir, I do. I don't think learning fact is education. Now, Albert जो था ना वो बहुत ही स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड था, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत ही मुंहफट, बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी बोल देना. इस चीज का डर नहीं होना that what can be the consequences. मेरा ऐसा बोलने के रिजल्ट्स, इसके आउटकम्स क्या होंगे, नो. What he feels like saying, he just straight away says it. So now first of all the chapter begins with the history teacher asking some questions to Einstein. अब उनके जो हिस्ट्री टीचर थे मिस्टर ब्राउन, कैरेक्टर्स में हमने इनके बारे में पढ़ा था. He asked Einstein that in what year, Einstein, did the Prussians defeat the French at Waterloo? Now Einstein ने बहुत ही क्लियरली आंसर दे दिया, I don't know sir, मुझे नहीं मालूम. Why don't you know? तुम्हें क्यों नहीं पता? तुम्हें अक्सर इतनी बार बताया गया है. You have often been told about that. Then he says, हो सकता है मैं भूल गया. I must have forgotten that. But did you ever try to learn? Asked Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown asked, क्या कभी learn करने की कोशिश की है? Have you ever tried? No, sir, Albert replied with his usual unthinking honesty. Why not? And with his very, we can say, unusual and unthinking honesty, he says, No, sir, मैंने कभी learn करने की कोशिश भी नहीं की. Why not? क्यों? Then he says that I just can't see any point in learning the dates. मुझे dates learn करने में कहीं पे कोई तुक नजर नहीं आता है सर. किसी को जब भी कोई डेट देखनी है, one person can look at it in a book. उसको बुक में कभी भी बुक खोल लो, देख लो. What's the high matter? Now Mr. Brown was speechless for a few moments. अब Mr. Brown क्या थे? He was speechless. ऐसा कोई आंसर किसी टीचर को मिल जाए, टीचर क्या होगा? It's going to be speechless ना. So the same thing happens with Mr. Brown. उनके पास शब्द नहीं थे कि वो क्या रिप्लाई दे. But at last he said, तुम मुझे आश्चर्यचकित कर देते हो आइंस्टाइन. You just amaze me. Don't you ever realize that सिर्फ dates क्या, एक person को कुछ भी देखना हो, when a person wants to look up to anything, most of the things he can look up in the books, right or no? Right. So that applies to all the facts you learn at school, and this principle, this logic applies to all the facts that you can learn at school. Yes, sir, it applies. Then I suppose you don't see any point in learning the facts. Now you see, then I suppose that you really don't see any points. तो तुम्हें कोई point नहीं लगता ना facts को learn करने में. तो एल्बर्ट ने बहुत ही very frankly says, frankly sir, I don't really find any point in learning the facts. Then he further says, okay, then you don't believe in education at all. फिर तो इसका ultimately यही मतलब हो गया that तुम्हें education पे ही कोई विश्वास नहीं है. You don't believe in education at all. Oh yes sir, I do. I don't think learning fact is education. He says, sir, I believe in education, but I just have a view, have an opinion that I don't think if facts को learn करना is known as education. Facts learn करना education हो, this I really don't know. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये सही है. In that case, said the history teacher with a very heavy sarcasm, perhaps you will be so kind as to tell the class the Einstein theory of education. Now he further he says what? Okay, so in that case, बहुत ही heavy sarcasm, कटाक्ष कसते हुए उन्होंने क्या बोला? Perhaps, so you will be so kind enough, तुम इतने kind enough हो गए that can you do one thing? He says yes sir, what? He says ठीक है, तो तुम्हारा तो story of education ही अलग है, so please do one thing. तुम पूरी क्लास को बता दो तुम्हारा आइंस्टाइन थ्योरी ऑफ एजुकेशन. लेट एवरीबॉडी कम टू नो अबाउट योर थ्योरी ऑफ एजुकेशन. तो एंड ऐसा उन्होंने बोला. सो ये क्या हुआ, एक तरह का उन्होंने उस पे ताना कस दिया. सो एल्बर्ट वाज फ्लश्ड. एल्बर्ट का चेहरा एकदम लाल. he became conscious, and I think it's not facts that matter but ideas, he said. I don't see any point in learning the dates of battles or even which of the armies killed more men. I would be more interested in learning why those soldiers were trying to kill each other. Now he says, sir, बात ये है, what I want to say is कि मेरा मानना ये है that facts नहीं है जो matter करते हैं, but it is actually the ideas that matter. मुझे कोई point नहीं लगता in learning the dates of battles, in battles की dates को learn करना, मुझे इसमें कोई point नजर नहीं आता. Or even that which of the army killed more men, इसमें भी मुझे कोई तुक नहीं दिखता. But rather, other than these two things, I am more interested in learning why these soldiers were trying to kill each other. What are the reasons behind it? This I find it more interesting. That's enough. Mr. Brown's eyes were cold and cruel. Mr. Brown की eyes एकदम cold and cruel, गुस्से से भरी हुई. He says that's enough. बस मैंने इतना तुमसे नहीं पूछा था. Whatever I have asked, you have given me the answer. Now just keep quiet. We don't want a lecture from you, Einstein. हमें आइंस्टाइन तुमसे कोई लेक्चर नहीं चाहिए. You will stay in for an extra period today, although I don't imagine it will do much good. So your punishment is that Einstein, you are going to stay here for an extra period today, and although I just don't imagine that it will do much good. I don't imagine कि इससे तुम्हारा कुछ ज़्यादा भला होगा, but still I won't do the school any good either. इससे स्कूल का कुछ भला नहीं होने वाला. You are a disgrace. तुम एक disgrace हो इसके लिए, and I don't know why you continue to come. You are a disgrace to the school, and I really don't know कि तुम यहाँ पे रोज क्यों आ जाते हो. Leave this place. Now Einstein says what? Einstein pointed out, and he said, "It's not my wish, sir. ये मेरी इच्छा नहीं है, सर. मुझे तो आना पड़ता है." then you are an ungrateful boy, ought to be ashamed of yourself. I suggest you ask your father to take you away. Now he says, तो तुम बहुत ही अनग्रेटफुल बच्चे हो एंड तुम्हें खुद पे शर्म आनी चाहिए एंड मैं तुम्हें एक सजेशन दूंगा दैट आस्क योर फादर दैट टू टेक यू अवे फ्रॉम दिस स्कूल एंड लीव दिस स्कूल एज सून एज पॉसिबल. चले जाओ यहाँ से एंड वी रियली डोंट वांट सच अनग्रेटफुल चिल्ड्रन इन आवर स्कूल हियर. Now Albert felt miserable when he left the school that afternoon. Not that it had been a bad day, most of the days were bad now anyway, but because he had to go back to the hateful place the next morning. He only wished his father would take him away, but there was no point in even asking. He knew what the answer would be. He would have to stay until he had taken his diploma. Now Albert really felt miserable when he left the school that afternoon. Not that it had been a bad day, ना कि ये बहुत bad day था, but most of the days were bad now. But अभी most of the days क्या थे, bad ही थे. Anyway, but because he had to go back, but उसे वापस जाना था to that hateful place the next morning. उसी next morning अगले दिन सुबह फिर उसी hateful place, and which is the hateful place according to him, the school. He only wished that his father is going to take him away from that place, but he says, but ऐसा नहीं होगा because that is why there is no point asking. He knew what the answers would be. वो जानता था that what the answers would be. He would have to stay until he had taken his diploma. उसे रुकना होगा यहाँ पे जब तक कि वो अपना डिप्लोमा नहीं ले लेते. Going back to his lodgings did not cheer him up. अब अपने घर वापस चले जाना भी उसको कोई खुशी नहीं देता. His father had so little money to spare that Albert had been found a room in one of the poorest quarters of Munich. Now here the name of the place comes where they stay. वो कहाँ रहते हैं? म्यूनिक में. Okay. Now he says, वो क्या बोल रहा है? That going back to his lodgings is not the thing that is going to cheer him up. His father, उनके father के पास में इतना little money है ना to spare that Albert had been found a room. Albert को एक room मिला in the poorest of the quarters of Munich. Munich के poorest quarters में. ठीक है? He did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort or even the dirt and the squalor. अब उसको नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा था. वो कह रहा था I am not going to mind the bad food. थोड़ा बहुत गंदा खाना it's okay. Lack of comfort है okay, I am going to adjust with it. थोड़ा बहुत dirt है, squalor है, I'll manage everything. But what he hated was he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. जो slum violence होता है ना, वो atmosphere को बहुत hate करता है. His landlady beats her children regularly. Landlady जो थी वो अपने बच्चों को regularly beat करती थी. And every Saturday her husband came drunk and beat her. And every Saturday उनके husband पी करके आ जाते थे and he used to beat her. तो ये जो मारने पीटने वाला जो पूरा scene होता था ना, so that particular scene Einstein really hated, and because of that mess Einstein को वहां पे रहना बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Okay, so what he hated was that the house he lives in, जो उनकी landlady थी, she used to beat her children regularly and the children used to shout and cry. That was one hateable thing. And the second thing is what happens कि वो बच्चों को मारते थे on the Saturday evenings. Her husband used to come drunk. Husband पी करके आते थे and he used to beat the children. So this all thing really was the thing that he hated the most. But at least you have a room of your own, which is more than I can say, said Yuri when he called round in the evening. Now Yuri, now another character जिनके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था, Yuri, he came. Yuri आ गए and Yuri was his friend and he discussed all the matter with him. But Yuri को वो सारी बात बता रहे थे. Now Yuri said that but at least you have a room of your own. मुझे तो किसी के साथ में shared room में रहना पड़ता है. It's enough that you have a room of your own. Einstein, it's good for you, which is more than I can say. At least you live among civilized human beings, even if they all are poor students. Now he says no. एल्बर्ट ने बोला कोई बात नहीं, तुम एटलीस्ट सिविलाइज्ड ह्यूमन बींग्स के बीच में तो रह रहे हो ना, इवन इफ वो पुअर स्टूडेंट्स है तो क्या हुआ, मुझे तो देखो यहाँ कहाँ स्लम में कैसे लोगों के बीच में रहना पड़ रहा है. दे आर नॉट ऑल सिविलाइज्ड, यूरी रिप्लाइड. यूरी सेड कि सब सिविलाइज्ड नहीं है. डिड यू नॉट हियर दैट वन ऑफ देम वाज किल्ड इन द लास्ट वीक इन अ ड्यूअल. तुमने नहीं सुना था कि आपस में ऐसी लड़ाई हुई उन लोगों की इन द ड्यूअल फाइट लास्ट वीक की, उनमें से एक जने की तो डेथ हो गई. वन वाज किल्ड इन दैट ड्यूअल लास्ट वीक. And what happens to the one who killed him? And what happens to the one who killed him, जिसने उसको kill किया था? Nothing, of course. He says nothing. He is even proud of it. और वो तो क्या था? He was just proud of it. His only worry is that the authorities have told him not to fight any more duels. उसकी अकेली एक वरी, एक चिंता क्या थी? दैट जो अथॉरिटीज है ना, उन्होंने क्या बताया था? हैव टोल्ड हिम दैट नॉट टू फाइट एनी मोर ड्यूल्स। जब उसने बोला उन लोगों को कोई चिंता नहीं है, दे आर फीलिंग प्राउड ऑफ इट दैट वो ड्यूल्स फाइट करते हैं। बस बात यह है कि उन्हें अब अथॉरिटीज ने ये बोल दिया है दैट आप और ड्यूल्स फाइट नहीं करेंगे। सो दैट इज व्हाई ही इज अपसेट। ही इज अपसेट। और वो अपसेट क्यों है पता है? क्योंकि उसने इतने ड्यूल्स फाइट किए और अभी उसको अथॉरिटीज ने उनको मना कर दिया। एंड उनके एक फेस पे एक सिंगल स्कार भी नहीं है, एक निशान भी नहीं है, कोई चोट का निशान जो ड्यूल से आया हो, जिसे कि वो एक बैज ऑफ ऑनर की फॉर्म में रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ अपने फेस पे वेयर करके रखेगा। एक्सक्लेम्ड एल्बर्ट, ओह, एक्सक्लेम किया एल्बर्ट ने, ओह दैट ये होता है। एंड दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स, और ये स्टूडेंट्स है। वेल यू विल बी अ स्टूडेंट वन डे, सेड यूरी ने बोला यस यू आर आल्सो गोइंग टू बी अ स्टूडेंट वन डे। अब देख लो, नाउ टेल मी, तुम बोल रहे थे दैट आई लिव इन सिविलाइज्ड पीपल, ऐसा है? I doubt it, said Albert gloomily. I don't think I'll ever pass the exams for the school diploma. Now Albert ने बहुत ही दुखी होकर के कहा, I doubt it, मुझे डाउट है कि मैं कभी एक स्टूडेंट बनूंगा या नहीं, because I don't think मैं कभी पास कर पाऊंगा एग्जाम्स फॉर द स्कूल डिप्लोमा। जब तक मैं स्कूल डिप्लोमा के एग्जाम्स नहीं पास कर पाऊंगा, हाउ कैन आई गो फॉर माय फर्दर स्टडीज एंड बी अ स्टूडेंट लाइक दैट? Now, he told his cousin Alyssa. Now the next character enters here, Alyssa, जो उनकी cousin थी. The same next time she came to Munich. Normally she lived in Berlin, where her father had a business. Normally Alyssa कहाँ रहती है? बर्लिन में, जहाँ पे उनके फादर का बिजनेस है। Next time when she visited Albert, Albert ने उनको ये पूरी बात बताई। I am sure you could learn enough to pass the exam. Albert, if you tried, she said, I know lots of boys who are much more stupid than you are, who get through. They say you don't have to know anything. You don't have to understand what you are taught. Just be able to repeat it in the exams. Now he says, I am sure you could learn. तुम इतना तो सीख ही सकते हो, इतना तो लर्न कर सकते हो जिससे कि तुम एग्जाम्स पास कर लो एल्बर्ट। इफ यू ट्राइड, अगर तुम कोशिश करो, बिकॉज मैं ऐसे बहुत से बच्चों को और जानती हूँ, शी सेड, हु आर मच मोर स्टूपिड देन यू आर टू गेट थ्रू। और वो बच्चे गेट थ्रू हो जाते हैं, मींस दे पास देयर स्कूल डिप्लोमा एग्जामिनेशन। दे से, वो ऐसा कहते हैं दैट यू डोंट हैव टू नो एनीथिंग, तुम्हें कुछ भी रटने की जरूरत नहीं है। यू डोंट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर टॉट, तुम्हें वो चीजें अंडरस्टैंड करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है जो तुम्हें सिखाई जाती है। जस्ट बी एबल टू रिपीट इट इन द एग्जाम, व्हाट यू लिसन, इतने एबल रहो दैट व्हाट यू लिसन यू कैन रिपीट द थिंग्स इन द एग्जाम। That's the whole trouble, said Albert. I am not good at learning things by heart. Albert कहता है यही तो परेशानी है, I am not good at learning the things by heart. एक बार सुनते ही मुझे चीजें by heart learn नहीं होती, so if I am not, मुझे चीजें by heart learn ही नहीं हुई, so how I am going to explain the things later? I am not good at that. मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ इस चीज में. You don't need to be good at it. Anyone can learn like a parrot. You just don't try. And yet I always see you with a book under your arms, added Alyssa. What is the one you are reading? A book on geology? Geology, rocks and things. Do you learn that? No. We have hardly any science at school. Then why are you studying it? Because I like it. Isn't that a good enough reason? Alyssa sighed. You are right, of course, Albert said, she said, but it won't help you with your diploma. Now he says, उन्होंने बोला, तुम्हें कुछ भी चीज पे ना गुड एट होने की जरूरत नहीं है। बात यह है कि आप पैरेट की तरह बस लर्न कर लो, रट्टू तोता बोलते हैं ना वैसे। यू जस्ट डोंट ट्राई, तुम कोशिश नहीं करते हो। एंड येट मैं तुम्हें हमेशा देखती हूँ दैट यू ऑलवेज हैव अ बुक, जिसे तुम अपनी आर्म्स के नीचे हमेशा दबा के रखते हो, एलिसा सेड। कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी कि वो बुक जो तुम पढ़ रहे हो किस चीज के बारे में है? नाउ एल्बर्ट सेज इट्स अ बुक ऑन जियोलॉजी। नाउ शी सेज जियोलॉजी, दैट इज रॉक्स एंड थिंग्स, तुम उसे लर्न करते हो? एल्बर्ट सेज नो, हमारे तो स्कूल में साइंस हार्डली है ही नहीं, तो मैं क्यों लर्न करूंगा? नाउ एलिसा सेज देन व्हाई आर यू स्टडीइंग इट, क्यों पढ़ रहे हो फिर वो? नाउ एल्बर्ट सेज बिकॉज आई लाइक इट, क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है। इजंट दैट अ गुड इनफ रीजन? नाउ ही सेज कि क्या ये रीजन काफी नहीं है बात को समझने के लिए? एलिसा साइड, एलिसा ने ऐसे इमोशनल कंटेक्स्ट में एक आह भरते हुए कहा। Now Albert said, "You are right, of course, Albert," she said. Now she said कि तुम सही कह रहे हो, but it won't help you with your diploma. तुम्हें इंटरेस्ट है, तुम उसको पढ़ रहे हो, but it's not going to help you with your diploma. Apart from books on science, his only comfort was music. Now it is said that apart from the books on science, उसका only comfort क्या है was music. And he played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. And what he did, apart from the books on science, उसका only comfort क्या था was music. And he played his violin, और वो अपने वायलिन को रेगुलरली प्ले करते थे until, जब तक उनकी लैंडलेडी उन्हें रुकने के लिए नहीं कहती थी. That wailing gets on my nerves, she said. और वो आके कहती है, ये जो तुम्हारी आवाजें हैं ना इस वायलिन की, ये सच में मेरा सर दर्द कर देती है. There is enough of noise in this house with all the kids howling. And she says कि there is all enough noise. बहुत शोर है इस घर में, सारे बच्चे चिल्लाते रहते हैं. Albert was tempted to point out that most of the time it was she who made them howl, but he decided it's better not to say something. Now, Albert इतना tempt तो हुआ that he should say to this lady that it's always you, all the time it's you जो उन बच्चों को चिल्लाने रोने पे मजबूर करती हो. But that at point I don't know why, but he decided that it's better to say nothing. कुछ ना बोलो वो ज्यादा बेहतर है. I must get away from here, he told Yuri. Yuri को उसने बोला मुझे यहाँ से ना जाना है. After 6 months alone in Munich, it is absurd that I should go on like this. Now he says after 6 months alone in Munich, ये absurd है, ये बहुत बुरा है. That I should go on like this, मैं ऐसे ही चलता रहूं. In the end, it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money. And in the end, it's going to turn out that all the time मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ अपने father का money waste कर रहा हूँ. And also I am wasting everyone's time. It will be better for all if I stop now. And it's going to be better for all अगर मैं इस मैटर को यहीं पे स्टॉप कर दूँ. And then what will you do? Yuri asked. और फिर यूरी ने पूछा तुम क्या करोगे? I don't know. If I go to Milan, I am afraid my father will send me back. Now he says कि अगर मैं वापस चला गया ना मिलान, so I am damn sure that मेरे फादर मुझे वापस भेज देंगे यहाँ पे. His eyes gleamed with a sudden idea, but suddenly ना उनके दिमाग में एक idea आया. What's the idea? Yuri, do you know any friendly doctor? Yuri, तुम्हें कोई friendly doctor पता है? I know a lot of medical students, and some of them are friendly, said Yuri. Yuri said कि मुझे कुछ medical students के बारे में पता है, and उनमें से कुछ बहुत friendly हैं. Some are very friendly also. Yuri said. Doctor, no, I never had enough money to go to one. Now Yuri said नहीं. जब उसने बोला डॉक्टर, we said no, डॉक्टर तो नहीं जानकार मेरे, because मेरे पास कभी इतना पैसा ही नहीं रहा कि मैं अपनी कोई तकलीफ शेयर करने के लिए डॉक्टर के पास जाऊं. Why? But तुम ये क्यों पूछ रहे हो? You ask the question why. Suppose, said Albert. Albert ने बोला suppose, देखो, that I had a nervous breakdown. मेरा एक nervous breakdown हो जाए. And suppose a doctor would say that it's bad for me to go to school and I need to get away right from here. Now he says, so Joe, suppose if doctor ये बात बोल दे that कि it's bad for me to go to school and I need to get right away from it. और मुझे immediately यहाँ से चले जाना is good for me. तो अगर ऐसा कोई डॉक्टर कह दे तो क्या होगा? I can't imagine a doctor saying that, said Yuri. He said, मैं imagine कर सकता doctor saying such a thing. I must try, and said Albert. अब Albert ने बोला, I must try to find a doctor who specializes in nerves. एक ऐसा डॉक्टर ढूंढना जो किसमें स्पेशलाइज करता हो? Nerves में. There are plenty of them, Yuri told them. He hesitated for a moment and then added rather reluctantly, I'll ask some of the students if they know one, if you like. Now he said, I can imagine, I just can't imagine a doctor saying that, said you. Like, doctor ऐसा कैसे कह देगा? डॉक्टर इतना बड़ा झूठ नहीं बोल सकता. Albert said at least मैं ट्राई तो कर सकता हूँ एक डॉक्टर ढूंढूं जो स्पेशलाइज करता हो नर्व्स में. He says okay, there is a plenty of time with us, Yuri told him. थोड़ा सा वो hesitate हुआ for a moment and then add rather reluctantly, उसने ना करते ही add किया, लेकिन still he said, he says, I'll ask some of the students if they know one, if you like. Now he says that I'm going to ask some of the students if they know one. अगर वो किसी को जानते हो, इफ यू लाइक। कौन से स्टूडेंट्स? द मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स। इफ यू लाइक, अगर तुम चाहो तो। विल यू? ओ थैंक यू यूरी। एल्बर्ट्स आईज वर शाइनिंग। अब एल्बर्ट की आंखों में तो चमक। एंड व्हाट ही इज सेइंग, क्या तुम सच में ऐसा करोगे? विल यू? बहुत खुश हुआ। ही सेज, थैंक यू यूरी। Wait a moment, I haven't found one yet. He says, wait a moment, I haven't found yet. मुझे अभी कोई डॉक्टर मिला नहीं है, इसलिए ज्यादा थैंक यू मत करो। Oh, but you will. He says, yes, अभी मिला तो नहीं है, but be positive that you will surely find one. Now, he says, and if I do, I don't know if he'll be willing to help you. Now he says that if I do, चलो डॉक्टर भी मैं ढूंढ दूंगा, but I am not sure that whether the doctor is willing to help you or not. He will, declared Albert. Albert ने कहा, he will surely. And I'm going to have a real nervous breakdown to make it easier for me. He laughed merrily. And he says, or I am going to have a real nervous breakdown. और मेरा तो ना real nervous breakdown हो जाएगा, and it's going to make work easier for him. And ऐसा कहते ही he very happily and he merrily laughed. I have never seen you looking less nervous, remarked Yuri. Now he says, मैंने इससे पहले तुम्हें कभी भी इतना नर्वस नहीं देखा. A day or two at school will soon put that right, Albert assured him. एक दिन या दो दिन स्कूल में is going to put that right. And Albert assured him, Albert said him कि जो भी होगा बिल्कुल सही होगा. ठीक है? Now certainly I have a day or two at school. The school will put that right, Albert assured him. Certainly he had lost his high spirits when Yuri saw him next. अब certainly क्या हुआ, उन्होंने अपने high spirits lose कर दी. कब? When Yuri saw him next, जब यूरी ने उनको next देखा. Why? I can't stand it any longer, he said. उसने बोला, अब मेरे से ना और ज्यादा नहीं बर्दाश्त हो रहा. I really have a nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor. मेरा really एक nervous breakdown हो जाएगा, and that is going to satisfy any doctor. Keep it up then, said Yuri. Yuri ने बोला, ठीक है तो keep it up. I have found a doctor for you. मुझे एक डॉक्टर मिल गया है. You have? Albert's face lit up. उसने बोला, अच्छा सच में? Listening this, Albert's face just lit up. Oh God, when can I see him? He says, oh God, मैं उस डॉक्टर से कब मिल सकता हूँ? I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening, Yuri said. Here's the address. He handed Albert a piece of paper. Dr. Ernest Will. Is he a specialist in nervous troubles? Asked Albert. Not exactly, Yuri admitted. As a matter of fact, he only qualifies as a doctor last week, and you may even be his first patient. You knew him as a student then. I have known Ernest for years. Yuri hesitated for a few moments. He is not a fool, he warned Albert. What do you mean? Now he says, मैंने तुम्हारा अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर दिया for tomorrow evening. Now Yuri said, ऐसा कहा, and he just handed a piece of paper to Albert and he says that here's the address. Dr. Ernest Weil, he is specialist in nervous troubles. Asked Albert. Albert ने वो स्लिप देख के उससे क्वेश्चन किया, ये नर्वस ट्रबल के स्पेशलिस्ट हैं? उन्होंने ऐसा बोला. No, he said. Yuri admitted, नहीं exactly ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. Fact ये है, matter of fact is that उस लास्ट वीक ही वो एक एज अ डॉक्टर वो क्वालिफाई हुए हैं, और हो सकता है तुम उनके फर्स्ट पेशेंट हो. तो अब हमारे जो एल्बर्ट थे, इसे ओके तो तुम उन्हें एज अ स्टूडेंट जानते हो. नाउ यूरी सेड कि मैं अर्नेस्ट को ना ईयर्स से जानता हूँ. एंड यूरी हेजिटेटेड फॉर अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स. अब यूरी एक बार तो कुछ मोमेंट्स हेजिटेट हुआ, एंड ही सेड ना वो ना बेवकूफ नहीं है, वो पागल नहीं है. ही हैज अ फुल नॉलेज. ही वार्नड एल्बर्ट. उन्होंने एल्बर्ट को वार्न किया. And then he said, what do you mean? क्या मतलब है? Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. That's all. Be frank with him, but don't pretend you have got what you haven't. Not that you would deceive anyone. You added, you are the world's worst liar. Now he says कि उसकी आंखों में ना पर्दा डालने की कोशिश मत करना. That's all. Frank रहना उसके साथ में, but don't pretend. ऐसा pretend मत करना that you have got what you haven't. क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास ये है जो एक्चुअल में नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है that you would deceive anyone. तुम किसी को भी जो है पागल बना सकते हो. यूरी एडेड. ही से that you are the world's worst liar. तुम इस दुनिया के ना सबसे बुरे झूठे हो. तुम्हें झूठ बोलना भी नहीं आता. When you speak a lie, it comes on your face and everybody comes to know कि ये झूठ था. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. नाउ एल्बर्ट ने अपना जो नेक्स्ट डे है ही हैज स्पेंट वंडरिंग कि डॉक्टर को मैं क्या बताऊंगा. बट व्हेन द टाइम अराइव फॉर हिज अपॉइंटमेंट, जब समय आया उस अपॉइंटमेंट का, ही वाज वरीड, वो बहुत वरीड था. ओवर इट सो मच, उस पे इतना ज्यादा, दैट ही रियली वाज क्वाइट नर्वस, कि वो सच में बहुत ज्यादा नर्वस हो गए. ओके, तो यहाँ तक क्या था. नाउ दे हैव फाउंड अ डॉक्टर. नाउ अपॉइंटमेंट आल्सो बीन बुक्ड. नाउ एल्बर्ट वाज जस्ट कंफ्यूज्ड एंड एल्बर्ट वाज वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो. वो ये सोच नहीं पा रहे थे, वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू टेल द डॉक्टर, एंड वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द डॉक्टर्स रिप्लाई, whether they are going to execute their plan successfully or not. So the remaining part की further जब वो डॉक्टर से मिलते हैं, what happens and further क्या उसमें changes आते हैं, क्या होते हैं, that we learn and we explain in our next class tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so this is all for today's class. Take care of yourself and we'll meet tomorrow.